Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video, we're doing an update here for Gala. So right now we are trading at 0.06268. 24-hour volume, we are up 20%. Market cap, we are up 8.84%. So heading over to our chart here again, I've got a time frame as 1 day. We can see a chart pattern that has already formulated, which is a bullish double bottom. So if we can follow along here, we've got coming up to resistance, down to support, resistance, support, and then resistance once again, which is a W pattern here. And because it's found at the very bottom of this downtrend, it is a reversal pattern itself. We have confirmation we have broken through 5% or more, but we are wanting to make sure that we do come back down and retest this dollar amount for support to continue up for this reversal pattern. So if price is going to come back down, and we've already seen it in this candlestick, coming back down and holding on support roughly around 5884. We can already see that the price is retraced back down to past our neckline of our bullish double bottom chart pattern itself. So in the next couple of days here, we're going to follow this pattern to come back up and break through this area of resistance that we've had back here from June 12th and June 13th, and not only that, on June 27th as well. We're going to zoom into a 4-hour time frame here and take a look at what that resistance line looks like. So as the price is coming back up, we've got that beautiful bullish double bottom on a daily pattern, broke through this neckline that we can see right here. This is a resistance line that we need to be able to break and close above, is 6400 here. And when we do retrace this resistance line back here, again, it created a lot of resistance back on June 11th, June 12th, but not only that, it did create resistance here around the 24th and the 27th here on a head and shoulders top pattern. So our shoulder, top, other shoulder, extremely went down. This is a reversal pattern, chart pattern, as well as our head and shoulders pattern. So with this reversal pattern, we're hoping, again, we can see it formulating here, coming back up to the neckline, resistance, coming back down, and then coming up again. So as the price is going to be tested here, what we can see is a few indicators, okay? We can see that the Bollinger Band squeezed on this indicator, or near the 20 MA. As it squeezed, we didn't close below the 20 MA. And in most cases, when we do that, as the Bollinger Band squeezes, we're found at the very bottom of the Bollinger Band. What we did see, in fact, is our RSI crossed over as we are coming up to the 20 MA and saw this beautiful recovery from support coming back up as the Bollinger Bands are coming out. So it is expanding, higher volatility. Momentum is working on our favor of this crossover as soon as we saw that 20 MA. So now we're currently in the bullish momentum, finding ourselves near a resistance line. Now, what we don't like about this area here, or where the price is at, is the retracement up to our RSIs peaking at 94%. So we can see that the K line itself is at 94%. Past our 80% is possibly considered to be overbought right now. Price can come back down, and we can see our D line is slowly retracing, okay? One of the things that we don't see is a crossover of these two lines signifying a reversal is going to happen. So one of the hints that we have is considered to be overbought, and another hint here is close to a resistance line. There's no way that we're going to break through this anytime soon. So where price is going to come back down is it's going to retrace back down. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull out our fib chart. So again, we can see price coming back down to our golden number from here on our 20 MA to 61%. This is a good scenario if we can be able to catch ourselves at 61%. But before we even look at 61%, we look at 38% here. And again, this is near our neckline on our day chart. If price can come back down nicely here and we can pick ourselves up and actually retest this resistance line, that's what we need right now. Because if we can see that the 20 MA is slowly coming in, we can see that these Bollinger Bands aren't expanding vastly. It's expanding very slowly here. So if price is going to come back down, we're hoping to catch ourselves closer to the 38%, or roughly roughly around 5868 to continue this momentum and the strong current of this momentum. I'm hoping that we don't see these lines cross anytime soon. If we see them cross again, it is going to be a strong current of price, and we may not bounce back to the 38. We might actually come back down here at the 61%, as we've seen multiple areas so far in the last couple of hours of the support hitting. So that's my update for Gala, you guys. I'm hoping this does work out in our favor so we can be able to see this bullish double bottom chart pattern extend and finally break through this resistance line so we can get back into the 70 cents here, or sorry, the 7 cents. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you tomorrow.